Hey, Dustin. All right, here is your 636. Sitting on my 48, old blue. Testing and adjustment have gone well. No leaks, no runs, no errors. She's looking good. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. Yes, sir. Good timing will make that work for you. Yeah, no drip. Looking good. All right, let's go ahead and look at some numbers. Idle RPM 650, 660, yeah. Vacuum, look at there, 23, isn't that great? And there's my fuel pressure at about 2.75. And dwell's running down there about 41, that's okay, all right. Well, let's go ahead and pull it through a couple times. Good. One more time. Nice and slow so you can see there's no stumble. Alrighty. There you go, my friend. Thank you.